Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fill out the ABC ID for your Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. In the main page, we can get started. First things first, in the upper right corner, we can get started signing up for an account. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is log in into your account after creating it. So what we want to do is just log in, and once we have done that, we'll be greeted by this homepage. This is going to be the homepage where we can get started. As you can see, you can get started starting a new form, creating it. You can take a look at all the forms you have already created right here, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, how do you fill out an ABC ID requirement in your Google Forms? Basically guys, as you can see, once you open up a form that looks like this, so here I have a form. As you can see, this is my tutorial form for a video with the questions and so on. So let's say that there is a question for your ABC ID and you have to input it. Basically guys, this is never probably going to be mandatory. You will not have to fill it out because as you can see in this thread right here, somebody is asking the same question, somebody to help them, what is this ABC ID? So basically guys, you can see in the answers, it's optional. If you want to fill it, you can make your ABC ID if you have a DigiLocker account. So you want to go to DigiLocker and create your ABC ID to get it, to input it, but it's not mandatory. It's only to input it if you have one. So if you want to create it, just go to DigiLocker to get it, but you will not have to input it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.